In a world of darkness, some people still manage to shine their light brightly, and this Jamaican pilot is one such person. On an American Airlines flight from Montego Bay to New York, he left his cockpit and decided to help this woman who had some trouble walking. The pilot was very humble and decided to assist the woman when he saw that no one was there to help her. Of course, she was assisted further by the wheelchair service, but it was very humbling to see this pilot rushing to aid this woman. Of course, I didn't catch everything on camera, but it was a very, very special moment. And we would like to highlight this Jamaican pilot from the American Airlines flight. Good going, Captain. Thank you for watching this another JamFit video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel as we continue to spread the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.